All right, let's take a look at this problem and break it down. Jeremy throws two tetrahedral dice, dice A and dice B. He takes note of the number on the underside of each die and calculates their product. So he's throwing a four-sided dice. He's going to throw this dice and this dice. He's going to look at the two numbers that he got, and then he's going to get their product by multiplying those two values together. Now, four-sided dice means that we have values of 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the other dice is also going to have values of 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to be finding their products. So we can make a chart here just like this, and we can find all of our possible outcomes. 1 times 1 is going to give me 1. 1 times 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. And we're going to get another 12 right there. So by making this chart right here, we got 1, 2, 3, or 4 on one dice. 1, 2, 3, or 4 on the other dice. Now we can see every possible outcome. Everything we're looking at here are possible outcomes for a product. Now, if we can look at this chart, we should be able to answer which one of these events is certain to occur, meaning it has to happen. Okay, so product is a square number. Square numbers are like 4, 9, but then 16. But notice we could get a 6, we could get a 3. Those are not square numbers, so A is off the table. It's not A. Event 2, product is a cube number. Our cube numbers are like 1, 8, 6, not 16, 27. There's some cube numbers right there. We could get an 8. 27's not on there. So there's all these other possible outcomes that wouldn't work for event number 2. Event number 3, product is a factor of 144. Well, one thing I can tell you about 144 is it's divisible by a lot of different values, right? So what you could do right here is just take a calculator, take 144 and start dividing it by the ones that you're not sure of. You obviously know that it can be divisible by 2, right? It's an even value, so we can cut it in half, no problem. But as you go through this list and you use all those numbers in there, what you're going to realize is every single one of those is going to be a factor of 144. So it's looking to me like C is the correct answer, but let's double check event 4 just to make sure. Here we go. Product is either a prime number or a composite number. Product is either a prime number or a composite number. My gut tells me that that's true too, right? It would be if that was not a possible outcome. 1 is not prime and it is not composite. It is neither. So because of that value of 1, D is also not correct. So it's kind of a tricky problem because a lot of you might look at this bottom answer and might go with D. Okay? But the reason D is incorrect is because 1 is not a prime. 1 is also not a composite number. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.